today I am clearly not in a Pilates chair. I am clearly in a hairdresser's chair. And this is Jonathan, who, by the way, when I moved to California, I still came back to friggin' Connecticut to get my hair done. So that tells you a lot about what I think about Jonathan. And since I was here at his beautiful salon in Connecticut, if you're in Milford, make sure you check it out. I wanted him to teach us 3 really quick workout hair ideas. So follow along.
Here we go.